Hey guys, I'm Friendly Viacom, and this is my show. This is my theme song to our show, and these are my friends that would Green Teletoon, CBC Kids, WGBH2, Trapezium, WNET, DirecTV, Ewan Isabella Dern, PGP, Gohana, and Facebook, and they are all my friends. So come join me in my show with all of my friends. The lunch was so good, Viva, wasn't it? Oh yes, Poppy, it was very good. I just love the lunch our mom makes us every afternoon. Yeah, me too. What was that noise? Oh, that noise? I'm not actually sure. Poppy, it sounds like you're the one making a noise. What? No, I'm not. Okay, fine, maybe I am. But why am I making that noise? Well, Poppy, I guess I got you got the hiccups? Yeah, you're probably right. But how did I get these hiccups anyway? Well, I didn't notice earlier you might have been eating your lunch a little too fast. Yeah, you're probably right. I might have been too fast. And now I got the hiccups. But that's okay. We'll find a cure and get rid of those hiccups as soon as we can so you can start playing again. Oh, great, because I went on the hiccups. Otherwise, it's going to drive me nuts. Yeah. We don't want to happen, do we? No, we don't. Okay. We got to think of a hiccup cure. Think. He's good at knowing stuff. Friendly Viacom, he's great at knowing stuff. He likes going to the library, and I think he recently brought a book about how to cure hiccups. Maybe he knows a thing or two. Oh, great. Then let's talk about his name. Hey, Friendly Viacom, can you actually call him for me? Sure, I'd be happy to. Hey, Friendly Viacom, we have a little problem. What's up? Hey, everyone, what's going on? Yeah, what's up? Well, I didn't expect you two to come. We just wanted to see the enthusiasm here. Enthusiasm? Yeah, why not? Okay. But this enthusiasm probably won't last for long. Well, what do you say that? Me. I had the hiccups, and now these things are driving me nuts. Can you guys help me, please? Sure, we'd be happy to help. Friendly Viacom, I know you'll be especially helpful because you recently went to the library and you got a book about hiccups. Do you think you could help me? Sure. Okay. Well, I read a few hiccup cures, and we're gonna try. So, why don't I try this one? How about you drink some water? Drink some water? How's that gonna help? Well, if you drink water fast, it should get rid of the hiccups. Yeah, why don't we try it? I'll go get the water bottle. Be right back. Are you sure this is gonna work, Friendly Viacom? Oh, trust me, I'm sure it's gonna work. Okay, I have the water bottle right here. Okay, I got the water bottle here. Drink up, Poppy. Okay, drinking very fast. That's refreshing. Hey, the hiccups are gone. Well, I guess that didn't work. Yep, it worked at the... Never mind, it didn't work. Oh my god, your hiccups are getting strong. They're knocking over the camera. Yeah. Jesus! Well, why don't you try drinking the water again? Okay, well, it wasn't in the book, but you could also try drinking it fast. Ah! Sorry, there was an ad. Anyways. Yeah, I tried drinking it fast. Maybe drinking slow wasn't good enough, so if I drink faster, it'll work. Well, it's a shot, I guess. Okay, Poppy, try again. Just drink faster. I will. That was even more refreshing than last time. Well, I think it worked. Drinking slow didn't work, but drinking fast. They're knocking the camera down even further. Yep, room reveal. That also didn't work. So sorry, Poppy. That didn't work either. I know. Maybe I can try holding my breath. Yeah, that was in the book. Try holding your breath for 10 seconds, and I'll count for you. Okay. Hey, what if we all count together? It'll be more easier. Yeah, that's a good idea. Branch, let's do it. Okay, here we go. Counting to 10. 1, 2. Wait. What? What's the matter? I forgot to hold my breath. Hold on. Okay, sorry, I had to charge my iPad. All right. Anyways, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Finally breathe again. I don't know if I can hold my breath for 10 seconds ever again. Well, what do you think, Poppy? Did it work? Yeah, it worked. Yeah, I did it. I had the... Dang it, that didn't work either. The camera keeps knocking over. If this keeps going, the camera and phone is gonna break. Well, it's not my fault. It's my Hiccups' fault. They're getting stronger. They're knocking down the camera. Well, we know that drinking water fast didn't work, and drinking it slow didn't work either. And you tried holding your breath for 10 seconds while we counted, but none of those ideas worked. So what else can we do? I don't know. No, I'm never gonna get hiccups. I'm never gonna get rid of these hiccups. I'm probably gonna have to all day. Well, guys, thank you for trying to get rid of my hiccups with me, but I don't think these hiccups are ever gonna go away. I'm sorry, guys. I think I'm just gonna go inside and lie down for a nap. You mean you don't want to play with us? No. When you get hiccups, it's gonna be so annoying to play. Like, for example, what if we tried playing hide and seek and I was the hider? And Fiva, you were trying to find me, and then I did that noise. And if I did that noise again, you would know where I'm hiding. Oh yeah, you're right. That does make sense. I'm just gonna go inside and take my nap. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay. Bye, Poppy. Sorry, Friendly Bicom. I guess your book didn't work after all. It's okay. Not everything works the first time. You just gotta try and try again. Maybe there's another cure in the book we could try later. Yeah. But I doubt that's gonna work. Bye, guys. Ugh, another ad. Sorry. Oh, poor Poppy. Well, we can't just give up now. We gotta find that hiccup cure. Wait, Friendly Viscount, is there anything else in the book we can try? Well, we can always try the book again. Let's see. Oh my gosh, how could I completely forget this one? Which one? You know, the one where you scare someone and then, bam, their hiccups disappear. Oh yeah, that could work. Well, maybe we should practice our boos before we scare Poppy. Good idea. Well, we gotta make sure that they're loud enough too, so he hears us. Yeah, and loud enough so it makes him shiver like this. That'll give him a very good scare. Yep, and the hiccups will be gone permanently. Well, what do you think? Should we practice our boos? Let's do it. I'll go first. Bow! I'll go second. Bow! Lots of boos later. I think all of those boos are good. Now we're gonna go scare Poppy. Let's do it, everyone! Yeah! Guys, he's sleeping. Okay, so let's scare him on the count of 3, okay? Her, sorry. Everyone, get behind me slowly and carefully as you can. Got it. Tiptoe. Oh my God, I made another mistake. Sorry. Anyways, all right. Tiptoe. Okay, everyone, we need your help. On a count of 3, we're all going to say boo. Ewan, can you not break the 4th wall, please? Well, I'm gonna have to this time. We need all the viewers' help. And that'll wake Poppy up, and it will certainly get rid of her hiccups. Everybody ready? Ready. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Bow! Ewan, what's the matter with you? And you guys too? Why did you stare at me like that? Sorry, I didn't think you'd be upset. Yeah, that was one of the hiccup cures. You know, if you scare someone, the hiccups will go away. What? How is that possible? You can't scare someone hiccups. Wait. I'm not hiccuping anymore. Guys, you solved my hiccup case. It's gone. We did? They're really gone? Yes! We can play again! Woohoo! Alright. Well, thank you guys so much for your help. I'm glad my hiccups are gone now. Heh, you're welcome. If you ever get the hiccups again, you know who to call. I know. Call Friendly Viacom and the rest of you guys, because I know that you tried to help me, and I also learned that you should never give up. Keep trying ideas until it works. Yep, you got it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, indeed. I think hiccups are contagious. Don't worry, guys. I'll make sure to scare you next while you're sleeping, and I'll get rid of your hiccups. Maybe we should just try a different cure. Yeah, let's try a different cure. Oh, well. Suit yourselves. Well, thanks for watching this episode. Hey guys, I'm Friendly Viacom, and this is my show. This is my theme song to our show, and these are my friends. That was Green Teletoon, CBC Kids, WGBH2, Trapezium, WNET, DirecTV, Ewan Isabella Dern, PageP, Esco Hana, and Facebook, and they are all my friends. So come join me in my show with all of my friends.